one of the powerful features of Aspen Plus is its ability to generate all sorts of charts and diagrams based on the results from your simulation. Here, I will use our last red frag simulation to show you how you can generate interesting graphics. In this video, I will generate the graphic corresponding to the acetone profile throughout the column for the reflex ratio that we have specified in our simulation of 3.5. Then I will show you a second graphic illustrating how the reflex ratio impacts the acetone profile throughout the column. For the first graphic, while the Composition tab is the active tab, click on the custom icon that you can see here. This will open up this dialog window. Here you need to tell Aspen Plus what to put on the x-axis and on the y-axis. In our case, we will plot the acetone profile throughout the column as a function of the column stage. So click here to expand the list of the x-axis, then select acetone. For the y-axis, tick the box next to stage. Then click on the OK button. And as you can see here, Aspen Plus generates the acetone profile curve for you. Now, under Format, you can customize the curve, edit the font, the size, the scale, and so on. The good thing here is that if you don't like this user interface and you are more comfortable with Microsoft Excel, then Aspen Plus allows you to export your data to Excel and work on them from there. To do that, switch back to the Profiles tab, then click here on the left top corner of the table to select all the data. Now you can either right-click and then select Copy, or simply hit the Ctrl+C buttons on your keyboard. Next, open an Excel sheet and paste your data there. Here I have pasted my data and generated my own graph. You can see here both acetone and MIBK profiles throughout the column. So this is really a nice feature of Aspen Plus. I personally use it when working on design projects or when performing sensitivity analysis. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to show you is a sensitivity analysis case using first Aspen Plus to generate the results, then Excel to plot the curves and examine the results. So to do that, I will first switch back to Aspen Plus, go to Setup that you can find under Red Frag folder, so click here, and click here on the Setup folder, and I'm going to vary the reflex ratio that you can see here from 3.5 to 2.5, then to 4.5, and see how this impacts the acetone profile throughout the column. So basically here I will change the reflex ratio to 2.5, reset, then rerun the simulator. Then go to Profile, Composition tab, so here go to Profiles, Composition tab, then copy and paste into an Excel sheet the results for acetone for each case. Now you can see here my results after running the three cases. The table here represents the acetone mass fraction as a function of the column stage and the reflex ratio. These data are taken from Aspen Plus after running the three cases, one with the reflex ratio of 2.5, then 3.5, and then finally 4.5. And the graph that you can see here shows the acetone profile as a function of the reflex ratio. The reflex ratio increases from left to right. Notice here how the increase in the reflex ratio increased the mass fraction of acetone in the overhead stream exiting the red frag column. Or, said otherwise, how the increase in the reflux ratio improved the purity of the acetone stream.